In July 2019, Terraform Labs, a South Korean company, launched Luna coin for use in cryptocurrency transactions. The stablecoin USD was used as a feature of a double symbolic structure when the coin was developed on the Terra network, UST. Consuming Luna gave Luna its value, and conceivably allowed it to match the strength of UST, stamping USD. Holders could stake the Luna cryptographic currency in addition to Luna powering its stablecoin to provide liquidity and earn incentives. It was also used as a management tool for financial backers to vote on proposals affecting the direction of the organization. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The link to our Instagram is in the description box. You can follow us there for some of the most interesting and amazing crypto content. History of prices for Luna coins. Terra stated that Luna would be listed on the trade stage Binance on August 19, 2020. Customers may stake their Luna coins starting on August 28, and the price increased from $0.33 to $0.56. Whatever the case, it didn't take long for it to drop again. Despite the USD departing that September, Luna dropped to $0.32. Beginning in early 2021, Luna started behaving bullishly. It was $6.44 on February 9 and increased significantly over the next 6 months, peaking at $34.96 on August 28. On September 7, 2021, the cryptocurrency market fell, reaching a low-end price of $27.79. Cost estimates for long-distance Luna. Some people who are considering Luna's prospects in further detail are considerably more optimistic. According to tech news leader, Terra Luna might reach a high of $0.00013 in a year. According to its Terra Luna cost projection, the currency will go over $0.0008 in 2027 and reach $0.006 by 2031. The Luna cryptocurrency prediction from priceprediction.net suggests that a rebound is illogical, and that the digital currency will just have a standard $0.0004 price tag in 2025. It predicts that Terra Classic will experience a constant journey and reach $0.002 in 2028. The digital currency is anticipated to reach $0.003 in 2030, as demonstrated by its Luna coin cost projection for that year. The Luna coin value projection from Economy Watch is remarkably more optimistic. According to its Luna coin cost projection for 2025, it will increase to a $100 valuation. According to the website, by 2030, a larger portion of society will be built on blockchains, and as a result, Luna will be valued at $150. How the Terra Luna crypto ended up? Given what has happened, some of the Luna cost assumptions seem too aggressive, and the company's environment is currently going through a crazy phase. Despite the greatest efforts to future confirm the blockchain, financial supporters now have a bleak outlook on Terra's local coin as a result of the digital currency value drop. Whatever the reason, it appears that Terra Classic has been abandoned. Although it seems that there is still some local buzz surrounding the first digital currency, the Terra Group and engineers will undoubtedly focus on a fresh example of the endeavor. The replacement tokens will be sent to the original owners of LUNC as compensation to make amends for the financial backers who were seriously hurt by the cost drop. The world of digital currency is swiftly changing, and coins that initially had a beneficial effect may soon lose their significance. This is resolving the matter with Luna. Terra's new endeavor may struggle to regain its status as the price of Luna has recently decreased and its stablecoin has lost some of its value. Is investing in Luna coin a smart move? Though it very well may be, it also might not be. A few analysts believe that the positive behavior of the Luna coin in 2021 will continue. However, the token just had a catastrophic disaster, with the digital currency falling outside the top 10 by market size. Remember that, as LUNA has demonstrated, cryptographic forms of payment are wildly unpredictable financial instruments, and previous performance is never a guarantee of future results. Any decision to donate should be based on your risk tolerance, market knowledge, portfolio diversification, and comfort level with financial loss. Never give more than you can afford to lose. Will the price of LUNA coins rise? There are certain clear LUNA coin cost projections for 2022, notwithstanding the recent disaster. According to Tech News Leader, it will rise gradually and reach $0.006 in the ensuing 10 years. Additionally, Digital Coin Price suggests that this vertical trend will develop, but does not believe that LUNA should surpass $0.01 anytime soon. Despite this, CoinCodex believes the token will continue to decline. Where can I get LUNA coins? While several prominent exchanges delisted the virtual currency following the incident, others still do, notably FTX. Simply remember to conduct necessary research and never contribute more than you can afford to lose. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and come back for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.